In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional process diagram using Napkin AI. To start, I'll select the option to create a new project by pasting my text. This opens up a window where I can drop in my content, so I'll paste my project onboarding workflow directly onto the canvas. Once my text is ready, I simply highlight the steps I want to visualize. You'll see a blue lightning bolt icon appear on the left. This is the magic button. When I click it, the AI begins generating several visual suggestions based on my text. On the left sidebar, I can scroll through a wide range of visual styles, from gears and flowcharts to cycles. After clicking on a generated visual icon, I can choose the specific style that fits my project best. Once I've selected a style, I can further explore different design variants and layouts within that category to find the perfect look. For this project, I'll head into the Categories menu, select Process, and then choose a sequence diagram that flows horizontally. Now that the diagram is on my canvas, I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll start by clicking on the title to change the font and increase the size to make it more prominent. To customize the diagram further, I'll select the visual and click the Ungroup button. This allows me to move and edit every element freely. I can change individual icons to better represent each step, adjust the background colors of the shapes to match my branding, and even format the text inside the boxes to be bold and clear. It's a very intuitive way to turn plain text into a high-quality visual. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a process diagram in Napkin AI.